Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a true giant among giants. A behemoth of gas and storms, it reigns supreme. Its great red spot, a storm larger than Earth, has raged for centuries. 11 Earths could fit across its diameter. That's massive. Imagine the scale, the sheer enormity of this planet. Jupiter's sheer size dwarfs all other planets combined. It holds more than twice the mass of all the other planets in the solar system put together. It's a breathtaking sight in the night sky. Even from Earth it shines brightly, a beacon of wonder and mystery. What if you could visit this giant? Imagine the journey, the adventure of a lifetime. Imagine plunging through its swirling clouds. What would you experience? The descent would be both thrilling and terrifying. Would you find a solid surface? As you go deeper, the pressure and temperature increase dramatically. The answer is a resounding no. Jupiter is a world of gas and liquid with no solid ground to stand on. Jupiter is a gas giant, with no solid ground to speak of. Its atmosphere is a complex, layered structure, with mysteries still waiting to be uncovered. Jupiter's atmosphere is a chaotic mix of hydrogen and helium. It's like our sun, but not massive enough to ignite into a star. As you descend, the pressure increases dramatically. Temperatures soar, reaching thousands of degrees. The upper layers are filled with ammonia ice clouds. These clouds create the beautiful bands and swirls we see from afar. Deeper down, you'll encounter ammonium hydrosulfide clouds. These clouds are thought to be responsible for Jupiter's distinctive reddish-brown hues. Falling into Jupiter would be like skydiving on steroids. Imagine leaping from the edge of space, only to find yourself plummeting into an endless abyss of swirling gases and violent storms. The experience would be both exhilarating and terrifying, a true test of human endurance and bravery. The further you fall, the denser the atmosphere becomes. You'd pass through layers of thick, turbulent clouds, each one more oppressive than the last. The descent would be a journey through a chaotic, ever-changing environment, where visibility is almost zero, and the air is thick with volatile compounds. You'd reach terminal velocity quickly. This is the point where the force of gravity pulling you down is balanced by the resistance of the atmosphere pushing against you. The sensation would be like hitting an invisible wall where your speed stabilizes but the intensity of the fall remains. This means the force of gravity pulling you down would be balanced by the resistance of the atmosphere. The descent would feel like an endless freefall, with the crushing weight of the atmosphere pressing in on you from all sides. The pressure would increase relentlessly, crushing you from all sides. As you descend deeper, the atmospheric pressure would become unbearable, squeezing you tighter and tighter, making it difficult to breathe or move. The temperature would soar, turning the surrounding gases into a superheated soup. The heat would be intense, far beyond anything experienced on Earth, capable of melting metal and vaporizing most materials. It would be like being trapped inside a pressure cooker, but on a planetary scale. The combination of extreme pressure and searing heat would create an environment so hostile, it would be impossible for any known life form to survive. This perilous plunge into Jupiter's atmosphere is a stark reminder of the immense and unforgiving nature of our universe. Section 4. Extreme challenges. Jupiter's atmosphere is home to colossal storms. The Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth, has been raging for centuries. These storms generate winds that can reach hundreds of miles per hour. Imagine being caught in one of those. The intense pressure, heat, and storms would make survival impossible. Even the most advanced spacecraft we could build would be crushed and vaporized long before reaching Jupiter's core. It's a truly unforgiving environment. Section 5. Oblivion awaits. In the vast expanse of our universe, few places are as mysterious and captivating as Jupiter. So, what's at the bottom of Jupiter? This gas giant, with its swirling storms and immense size, holds secrets that have baffled scientists for centuries. No one knows for sure. Despite our advanced technology and telescopes, the depths of Jupiter remain largely unexplored. Some scientists believe there might be a rocky core, but it's highly speculative. The core could be a dense mix of elements, or it might not exist at all. What we do know is that the pressure and temperature at Jupiter's core are unimaginable. The deeper you go, the more intense these conditions become. If you somehow survived the fall, you'd eventually be crushed and vaporized by the immense pressure. The crushing force would be beyond anything we experience on Earth. Your atoms would become part of Jupiter's swirling mass. They would be scattered and mixed into the planet's turbulent atmosphere. It's a humbling thought that even the largest planets are but specks of dust in the grand scheme of the cosmos. In the end, Jupiter's mysteries remind us of our place in the universe, and how much there is still to learn.